How to create beautiful borders with GrowSure all-purpose feed and GrowSure smart ground cover. During the growing season, I like to use GrowSure all-purpose 6-month feed. That's because I like to have lots and lots of flowers for a long time in my garden. So I just simply scatter it round. This feed has got fast-acting fertiliser and slow-release fertiliser, so these nutrients will keep the plants growing all season long, and then work it into the soil. So once you've applied the feed, water it in, get it going as quickly as possible. Next, we apply GrowSure Smart Cover. This is a protective and decorative mulch, and it's ideal for keeping weeds away from around your plants. It's ideal for borders, and it's got some interlocking fibres. Stays in place for a long time because of these interlocking fibres. It's an ideal decorative part to your border. Just make sure you get it in and around the base of the plant. Cover up your soil. And the best bit about this product is that it frames your plants and makes them shine and look beautiful.